If you had to guess the most popular products out there selling in the e-commerce world, you'd probably guess something like a beauty product or something along those lines. In today's video, however, I'm going to show you a product that's doing 3 million a day, and it has nothing to do with anything related to that. It's actually kind of shocking. So let's just hop right into it. What I'm talking about is literally this table right here. This Scherson wide leg dining table that's $2,300, actually euros, is making nearly $3 million a day. Unbelievable. So this is such an interesting thing that I just found because I never really thought about this. It's surprising, right? Like, I mean, this table is super nice. Don't get me wrong. This table is very, very nice, but 3 million a day? I would have never guessed that in a million years. And here's the thing too. It's taking 12 weeks to actually get this table to you. So available to order, but the lead time is 12 weeks. That's 3 months. That's insane. This is extremely inspiring to me, and we're gonna dive a little bit deeper here on this brand. But before we do, I wanna announce something real quick. So yesterday on Instagram, I gave out $300 off discount codes for the Academy Lab Mastermind. It's basically an incubator, and it's been absolutely unbelievable to be a part of so far. Literally, I'm gonna show you real quick what the group is all about. But since you guys on YouTube don't necessarily follow me on Instagram, I wanted to give you guys 5 codes. I think my YouTube audience is a little bit bigger than Instagram, so 5 codes I think is fair. All the codes yesterday got taken like right away, so no fake scarcity. This is real. The code is gonna be right here. This is the code for $100 off. Again, there's only 5 of them, but the reason I gave this out is because we finally launched the Chachi BT secret prompts for e-commerce for the Academy Lab Mastermind. So this is exclusively for members. I mean, we worked so hard to make this. You guys have no idea how long it took to do this. And as you see, there's literally prompts for absolutely every little thing that you can think of in your business, and it's all basically automated through AI. It's incredible. I seriously can't believe it. This is basically the entire thing that we're using also for our challenge store that we've showcased. So the value is tremendous in this offer, and you're gonna get to be a part of the community for life. Like literally, it's not a monthly payment, it's just a lifetime payment. Because again, we're building this like an incubator. I want you to be a part of it forever and contribute to the community yourself as you go on in your journey. So there's people from every single walk of life in there. There's some 6-figure a month entrepreneurs in there. In our last call that we did last week, there was somebody that was doing 6 figures a month. It was super cool. And as you see, we post incredible trends literally every day. And it's so helpful to see breakout ads as well. You know, just a lot of really cool stuff. We have an AI utilities forum where we're posting all the new AI tech. And just so you see kind of what it looks like, people are in here really providing value for each other and helping each other out. I mean, literally even mindset stuff. Like for example, this was posted yesterday and I thought it was so valuable. The 9 life lessons from Napoleon. You can read these right now. You can pause the video, but just so you see, this is the stuff that's being posted in here. And that's not even everything that you get with the offer. So incredible value. You can get $100 off with this discount code, but there's only 5. So use it while they last. If you don't get one, it's okay, don't worry. I still think at full price, this is still an insanely valuable offer, but I just felt it was unfair to do this on Instagram and not on YouTube. So I decided to give you guys a little bit of a special deal here too. But as you see, this store right here, what they've done is they're actually like a physical location as well. They're not just an online store, but you know, their landing page really just looks like a traditional Shopify store, but just very professionally done. I think this guy might be the owner or something, because he seems to be in every video, but the videos are very high quality. They sell a bunch of tables just like that are, again, very high quality, just high-end tables. And, you know, it's just surprising. It just looks like a very generic design, but it's crushing it to a level that, you know, you never really would expect. Now, if you're willing to take the risk and sell some high-ticket products on Shopify, it may prove to be very worth it, especially if you can actually provide a really nice experience, you know, because that's the thing. I mean, this table takes 12 weeks to arrive, but I'm guessing the customer service experience is really great. And I mean, these guys have been around for a long time, so I'm not super surprised that they're killing it to this extent. But again, I'm just shocked to see that this is one of the products that's crushing it the most on Shopify, as opposed to all the traditional trendy things that you would think about. So a great lesson to be learned here. Think a little bit outside the box, or maybe think more in the box. You know, maybe you're overthinking it when it comes to finding product ideas or a business idea. Just launch something and start testing. That's really the name of the game, especially now again with Chachi BT. And if you're a part of the Academy Lab, I mean, you have everything you need. Like, you literally don't need anything else. Just get started. By the way, also in the Academy Lab Mastermind, we post investing advice, which is super cool. I don't know, maybe some of you guys are interested in e-com, but you have a job and you're mainly more interested in investing your money into other companies, which I think is totally fair. I like investing my money as well. And for example, this is something we posted yesterday. So here are the top positions of the best investors in the world, and it shows even how much they've recently added to these positions. So for example, this person right here, or no, this one, I don't remember which one it was. Oh yeah, this one. This guy added 83% to Lululemon. Very interesting. And then over here, these guys added 67% to Microsoft. I said 67% add to Microsoft. That's me lately too, for real. And by the way, everybody that joins the Academy Lab in this offer, I will be following you on Instagram so we can actually connect. Yeah, just a really cool opportunity. I needed to mention it to you while also showing you this really shocking thing that I found. I made a TikTok about this brand because I just found it so interesting. I mean, they have a ton of products, but that's really the meat and potatoes of their sales. They've just done super well. And really, I love this brand design because it's so simple, but because of the simplicity and really high quality imagery, it comes off as a luxury vibe. So sometimes a luxury vibe actually just means getting rid of a lot of stuff, right? And that makes your store trustworthy. Definitely a great lesson to learn. Hopefully you guys found this helpful and informative. I'm going to be streaming tomorrow, I think at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. So turn on those notifications, and I'll see you on the stream tomorrow. That's about it. Peace.